What's up, y'all? Day 2 back-to-back at the levee, and it's once again not the greatest weather, but we're still gonna probably wakeboard. It might rain in a bit, so we might do some skating, but whenever it stops raining, we'll probably go over to the lake and just do some wakeboarding and have some fun. Oh my goodness, man, you ready for the day?
I'm ready for the day.
I mean, I guess we already started. I saw you do some skate maneuvers this morning.
I enjoyed that.
And we got special guest Nick Padgett over here. God dang, that's a nice whip you got, dude. Where are we going, guys?
Did Anna drop you off at care?
So our good friend Anna, Nick's dad, she just got sponsored by Red Bull, so she hooked it up. I'll steal that. Yeah. Congratulations to her. All right, we got Nick Padgett first off the dock.
What's up?
Rocking the Kodiaks, riding the Wishboner. It's actually really windy outside, but it's still pretty butterfest, so should be good. I never seen him ride. Is he gonna throw down some stunts or what?
For sure. Nick's a ripper, major ripper out of the Pelican State.
Shoot, that's Louisiana, right?
That's for Louisiana.
Stunt man. I let Nick do probably 3 or 4 warm-up laps. He's out there right now and driving over to the levee. And everybody excited to see him do some moves. Yeah, same. Yeah, that was sick. Woo! Oh, bro! Whoa! Whoa! Oh! You good? Oh my god, that was crazy. I can't believe you landed that. I mean, sort of landed, kind of. Yeah! Oh my god. Nick just finished up his set. He did some pretty cool maneuvers. Kind of squeaked away on that back 5 to lander off the flat bar. A little bit sketchy, but he rode away. I think he'll probably hop out there in a bit again and try and clean it up. Nice job, man.
Dude, thanks for filming.
Cool moves. But now the crowd favorite is up. Oh yeah, Justin just got here. He's the boss operator right now, but he'll throw some moves for us later. I have a question for you.
Yeah.
You're always wearing your headphones when you ride.
Yes.
What is gonna be the first song today when you roll?
You wanna know? For real?
Yeah, let's go.
Working Man by Rush.
Y'all may think this is all filmed in silence, but really there's a soundtrack in the background that y'all don't know about. So yesterday, Joel tried like kicker gap into all the way up to the very top, tapping that corrugated pipe right there, and he ended up getting completely annihilated, catching a screw right here, but I think he's gonna try it right here, right now. Oh. Or just corrugated up. That was pretty sick. Here's the clip of him almost dying yesterday. Oh! So this screw right here is what caused the Superman back lip. All right, here we go. Ah! Woo! Ah! Oh! You good? You good?
It hurt. I'm all right though.
Is your hand broken? Are your hands good?
Yeah, it hurt though, but I'm good.
All right, so we're gonna take a break from that over there just because he got pretty smoked and he wanted to do something on this double kink, so we'll see what he's got. Oh, dude, first go. Oh, let's go. Joel just finished up his set. I think Graham's over here getting suited up. I think we're gonna film that on his GoPro. He's kind of saving up for something special, so we can't really show you what he's got going on. But I'm gonna go do that right now, and then after that, we'll probably film Justin Grimm, or maybe me next, and then Justin Grimm, whichever one of us. And then that'll probably be the end of the day after that. All right, I'm up, then you're up. But I'm pretty much only want to do one trick, so I'll probably just try and gap back 180 kicker lander. So I'll probably go swimming a few times and hopefully I land it and it'll be fantastic. The last time you filmed was with a GoPro 7 and this is a 9, even though I don't have the 10 yet, but I hope you can do a good job. Woo! Oh shit. What's up with Grimm?
I should do a whole video with Grimm teaching the elements of afterbang. He's the Texas king of landing steves.
Like,
That's right, afterbang.
dang, so we're about to see the bangers right now, huh?
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, I'm about to go into survival mode.
Hopefully we didn't pressure Justin too hard for the bangers, but I'm sure he'll do something cool. Woo! Yeah! Yep! So we literally hardly ever hit that rail over there. I mean, some people do, but yeah, I'm gonna go grab the dad cam now because Justin wants to hit that thing, and I'm pretty sure he can do some pretty sick stuff on it. Woo! Dude! Oh, dude, too easy. Yeah! 450. All right. Nick is back on the water. Oh my God. That was sick.
That's it. Yeah.
Oh, let's go! Yeah! That was sick. All right, that's gonna be it for this trip to the levee. I'm super hyped. I got that back one into the kicker lander going backwards just because, you know, spinning backside, your tail could come around and sort of clip that pipe and then you just get completely slammed into the back of the kicker. So yeah, I'm pretty hyped I got that. Also, the boys all killed it. So make sure you guys go follow Joel, Graham, Nick, and Justin on all their social platforms. I'll leave the link to all of that in the description below. If you guys like this video and you want to see more like it, make sure you guys give me a thumbs up, comment below on what kind of videos you guys want to see in the future. And remember, I'll be uploading a video every second day forever. So make sure you guys subscribe. I'll see y'all next time. Peace!